Folks, Fat Guy Flies RC out here at Avon Park Air Mods Club. We're going to try to get another flight in with the rain here, between the rain, and this is the second flight ever of the FREEWING Avanti version 2. Got a 6,000 HRB, and yeah, here we go. Still kind of spitting rain, but not enough to matter. Probably have a short flight though. All right. Here we go. Man, what a sweet flying plane.
Landing flaps.
I'm gonna bring her by kind of slow.
Flaps.
Gonna take her straight up. Like I say, I'm running a 6,000 in her, so that's the biggest, heaviest battery I own.
Landing flaps. Gear down.
And she's got no problem lifting that great big brick up into the sky. Because that's really all you're doing, is flying a battery around. Man, I love this jet. Woo!
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Of course, I thought I was in love with the original Avanti, my red one. Man, this one here is a new love.
Gear up. Gear down. Landing flaps.
Bring by everything's down. Good, it is. Killing my altitude, killing my airspeed a little bit.
Braking.
Whoa! All right.
Brakes off.
Well, we got to redeem ourselves on that one.
Time remaining 2 minutes. Flaps up.
All right, here we go. Tell you what we'll do
Landing flaps.
is we'll come in from the other direction here.
Braking. Brakes off.
All right, we still got 1 minute and 22 seconds. All right, here we go. Take off flaps.
Flaps up. Gear up. Time remaining 1 minute.
Low and slow, no flaps. I'm going to hit it.
Landing flaps, gear down.
Make sure my gear is down, and it is.
Braking.
A little too much braking.
Flaps up. Brakes off. 30 seconds.
All right, we're going to do one more takeoff. And obviously one more landing.
Seconds.
Don't quite have to give so much braking.
Landing flaps. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired. Braking.
A little bit better that time, believe it or not.
Flaps up. Brakes off.
Oh man, what an amazing jet.
Brakes. Brakes off.
All right.
Motor off.
All right, we were 16 seconds over on a 4-minute and 10-second timer. Starting to rain, starting to come back in. All right, let's check the battery. Real quick before I check the battery, I want to make sure, yeah, that gear, it's in there. It's solid. Yeah, it did its, that trailing link suspension did its job when those nosed in. All right, got that antenna there for a reason. Antenna mod for a reason there. Let's see how much life is left in the 6000. 41%. Now I've got the 6000 back a little bit further than I did the 5000. But when, you know, the rule is the bigger the battery, the further back, the lighter the battery, the further forward from your CG where you've got that. So if this was a 5000, it would be up just a tad bit further in. But a 6000 right there. Yeah, HRB with a, you know what? I don't even remember now. It's 50C discharge. Amazon had them on sale for 6,000 HRBs with a 50C 6S for $89 for 2. That's $44.50 per battery, a 6-cell battery, and they're great. HRB's a great brand. Well, folks, I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for being a subscriber, and thank you, Motion RC, for taking $399 of my money and to bring me the Avanti version 2. Love it, love it, love it. God bless y'all. Don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and then jets. Bye.